Hi, welcome back. I thought I'd do another one on tea. I did one a while ago, and it was the peppermint from Ikea. Which was an Ikea. You're flipping stupid, honestly. That peppermint tea was great. And a couple of the guys that come to my workshops because I do evening classes, and a couple of the guys have bought me some tea. Mark's bought me some from Bird and Blend, and I think I did a review on here about Bird and Blend tea. Matt, thanks Matt. This one's for you. Look, and this is Teapigs Peppermint. Let me just show you. I should be working, but this Teapigs tea is absolutely amazing. It comes in, first of all, let's have a look. Peppermint leaves, 50 temples, and they call these things little temples. They're like little pyramid things, which are cool. Anyhow, look, this is what you need to know. Ingredients: peppermint leaves, 100%. That's it. Peppermint leaves. The smell is fantastic. The smell is fantastic. 100% pass paper. Oh, the packaging is great because this all breaks down, which is great. And there you go. You've got this little bit on the back from Louise. Well done, Louise. And it says how we like it. 1 temple per cup. Boil 100 brew for 3 to 5 minutes. And yeah, I've got to say, these, peppermint tea, brew it, let it sit there. But 1 per cup is really quite minty. So let me show you what I do. I've got in here some other peppermint tea, Bird and Blend, and I put in a pot. I only put in half a spoon. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have this on the side, and I'm going to take some of that out and add it to that. So because that really is peppermint tea. It really is beautiful. It's a fabulous tea. So I'm going to take the top off this, and then I'm going to make another peppermint tea and blend the two. Blend this one and that one, but not use that for one. I can get 3 cups of tea out of this. So sometimes that goes in and that does 3 people, which is great because 1 per person, that's a lot. But if I take a bit out of there, say if I take half out of there and then I can get one of those to do 6 cups of tea. That's next level, isn't it? That's great. Brilliant tea. Let me sort it out. Right, I've chopped the top off that. I'm going to try and get my spoon in there. Oh, look at that. See how much tea you get. There's loads. Half a teaspoon will be enough. Add that to what I've already got. Bring the kettle over. It's just boiled. And I always boil. Look at that. I always boil just enough water. Come on, kids, we've got to save the planet. Just enough water to do that. What I find is if I put the kettle on and I blast it for 3 seconds and I just go 1, 2, 3, it does 3 cups. Don't fill the kettle. That's my pet hate. Don't fill the kettle full of water for just 1 or 2 cups. That's a waste of water. It's a waste of electricity, and you're stupid if you do it. So, anyhow, that's done. It's looking good already. Great greeny colour in there. Let's give it a few minutes. So I've got 1/2 teaspoon, 2, 3. There's quite a lot in here. 4. I'm not even going to call it 1/2 teaspoon, Altogether, there's 6 teaspoons in one. That's a lot. If it tastes so minty, it's because there's 6 spoonfuls in there. Look at it. That's a lot. It's fabulous. But you know what? We shouldn't waste it. All right. Any bits on there, they can go in there like that. There you go. Yeah, I'm going to rethink how I do this. They come out really nice as well, so it's not a bad thing to do. But if you love peppermint tea, this is a more economical way of getting your fix for peppermint tea, which, let's face it, if you're into peppermint tea like I am, It is lovely. Look at how much there's in there. I can't believe. That's why it's really minty. Look, I've hardly used any out of this bag. I've only taken a few out. Oh. And this can boost other teas. Brilliant. That's my tip. Cut it up, do it, control it, control how much tea you use. Wonder if the guys will notice. Well, there you go. I won't tell them. We'll see if the guys notice when they come later. And I'll do them a cup of tea, see if anybody spots it. Right, I'll work out how many tea bags that is. Right, now I've got to make a thumbnail. So you guys sticking around for a thumbnail? Let's see if we, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tea bags has filled that. 8 tea bags? I can't get over how many's in each tea bag. No wonder Teapigs are fabulous. You're getting such a massive hit of it, aren't you? Right, so I don't need that anymore. I don't need this anymore. Don't need those anymore. Come back in a sec. Right, let's set this up so that it looks like a woodworker doing... Let's move that out the way. I need to bring my... That can go in the background. Scissors can stay in the shot. So this is what I do, setting things up to try and make it look good for a... Let's move in a bit. Actually, let's come around here. Move that out the way. Oh, honestly, I spend so much time just... That under there. That under there. Need my kettle there. A teapot, I should say. Need my teapot there. How does that look? Right, so if that looks like that, there you go, I've taken the shine off the Teapigs because of the sellotape. So if that looks like that, Teapigs Peppermint, move that away from there a bit to give a bit of space in between those. Scissors are coming into the shot, whereas really I'd rather have my saw in shot slightly. That handle looks iffy, that looks a bit ropey. Let's put this here, put that there. And I can put some text. If I do that there, see, this is how I have to think. If I put that there like that, I can put some text down here, can't I? Move that out of the way. How does that look? That looks a bit better. Oh, you know what I need to do? I need to show the... Is that better? Top of my thumb slightly. There you go. Click. Got it. And thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.